In this video, I'm going to show you how to export excerpts from Dedoose. Now first, you want to open your project and you want to click on Excerpts up top, so the fourth tab, and then you can see this red ribbon, and in the top right you can see the Export Excerpts button. So if you click on it, by default it's going to say error, no excerpts were found to export. If this happens, you first have to select all of those you want to export, so you can select all over here if you want to, or you could just go ahead and select the ones that you want. So for example, I'm going to do it for these two, and then here you want to click on this export button again, and it's going to give you like options over here for the export. Just click on those things that you actually want to export, and of course you have a bunch of different things here. And then when you're done setting these, you can select the export type as well. You have Excel, Word, or TXT document. Click on the export button, which is going to ask you basically where on your computer you want to save this. So it's going to say download ready. Click to download, click OK, and then select the folder. I'm going to do over here, and I'm going to do exe export, whatever. Of course, you can name it whatever you want. I'm going to go to downloads, and I'm going to click on save. You can save wherever you want. And there we go. When it says download complete, you should be able to find your file inside the folder wherever you saved it. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.